Practice tests are the ultimate tool for success, helping students prepare for industry-recognized certifications. To get started, select the practice test style from the course dashboard or open a particular test set from your school's LMS via LTI link. Once open, in the left, you will see all the available test sets for your course. Our full-length test sets are designed to follow certification exam objectives and replicate real exam conditions. Simply click on your desired test set to begin. Each test set offers 3 modes: Learn, Test, and Review. Let's explore what each mode has to offer. At the top left corner, you can bookmark, rate confidence, and add notes. Click on the left side pane to navigate to other questions. Learn mode is all about instant feedback. With every question, you will see the correct answer, your selected answer, and a detailed explanation. In test mode, you will attempt the questions under exam-like condition, challenging yourself to perform at your best. Finally, review mode lets you see all the correct answers and their detailed explanation, giving you the insight you need to improve. Select your preferred mode and start practicing today. Now, click on the Go Back button on the bottom right corner to go back to the dashboard and explore other course components. And that's uCertify Test Prep. For more help videos, please visit www.ucertify.com/support.